Welcome, Cosmic Explorers, to another interstellar journey. Today we're venturing beyond the stars, but not in search of alien life or distant galaxies. No, our mission is to uncover the secrets of the universe's most delightful delicacy, cosmic cupcakes. Imagine a cupcake, but not your ordinary garden variety treat. These are cupcakes with a cosmic twist. We're talking about flavors that burst like supernovas, colors that swirl like galaxies, and textures that are as light as stardust. In the cosmos of baking, we use ingredients from every corner of the culinary universe. Exotic spices from the spice markets of Saturn, sweet nectars from the fields of Venus, and the richest chocolate from the cocoa forests of Mars. Every bite of a cosmic cupcake is a journey, a celestial adventure that transcends the mundane and catapults your taste buds into a realm of cosmic delight. So, strap in, hold tight, and prepare for a flavor journey that's truly out of this world. Remember, in the galaxy of gastronomy, the only limit is your imagination. Now, go forth and bake beyond the stars.